At Illinois Pulley & Gear, high-volume production demands both precision and efficiency. Our Takisawa TT-2600G turning center, combined with automated part handling, allows us to produce custom power transmission components with speed, consistency, and accuracy. By integrating automation into our machining process, we maintain tight tolerances while significantly increasing production output. Each part is machined with repeatable precision, ensuring consistent quality across large production runs. This capability enables IPG to support OEM customers with reliable, scalable manufacturing, reducing lead times while keeping quality at the forefront. Through advanced equipment and automated processes, Illinois Pulley & Gear delivers high-precision components built for performance, consistency, and production at scale. To learn more about our capabilities, please visit us at IllinoisPulley&Gear.com.